In this episode, I'll teach you everything you need to know when it comes to grains, whether you're preparing them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Start your day with a breakfast quinoa. And for lunch, how about a tabbouleh salad made with bulgur wheat, or a rich and nutty farro salad made with oven-roasted grapes and autumn greens. And for dinner, I'll teach you the secret to transforming coarsely ground cornmeal into the creamiest polenta and a quick and easy way to serve any leftovers.